Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your Regpacks account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box and type in regpacks.com and search. Once you end up in the official website for Regpack, click on Login at the top of the screen. This will then take you to the sign in area for Regpack. You can sign in with your email and password, or you can also sign in using your Google account. If you've chosen login in with your password and email option but you don't remember your password during the process, then you can easily reset to a new one. Click on the Forgot Password link beneath the password box, and on the next page, enter your valid email address associated with Regpack. Click on the Renew Password option and then wait for an email inbox to arrive. Open up a new tab and log into your email service provider. Inside your emails inbox, open up the email from Regpack Security. Now, click on Set Password and you will get to choose a new password on the next page. Type in the new password and re-enter it on this page so that you can reset to a new password. Make sure to enter a strong password and re-enter it again in the next field. Finally, click on Set Password and you have now successfully reset to a new password for Regpack. Now, every time you log into your account, you will now need to enter the newly created password. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.